Hey.
Hey, Charlie.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Great.
Welcome to Long Beach.
Glad to be here.
Yeah, come on in.
Let's do it. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Welcome to Just Exploring's Long Beach property.
This is the way to explore Long Beach right here.
Yeah, it is.
The design's so clean.
Thank you. So we were going for more of like a California beach kind of vibe, and with some modern accents to it. So we incorporated some colorful aspects just to keep it kind of coastal and beachy.
And family is a main ingredient. As you're coming up this street, it's like, wow, this really feels like a place you want to bring the whole family.
We definitely geared it towards family. I think those are the best short-term renters, and this is more modern, suitable for a big family.
Does the door come with the rental?
You can ask Lauren for that.
Teddy, what's the deal?
He's priceless.
I just love this gathering spot too, with the fireplace and the big screen TV. And this house has a really unique build, so break down the actual floor plan for us.
Yeah, so when you get in the front door, on the right side, you'll see a big full bath with the walk-in shower, and you see on the left with a big open floor plan, kitchen, laundry room, and then when you go on the right, there's a hallway that snakes around with 3 big bedrooms with queen-size beds. One of them has a primary bathroom in there, and they all have walk-in closets. When you come back out to the kitchen area, you'll see that there's another hallway to another bedroom with double beds, and then there's another bathroom attached to that, and then there's an upstairs right next to it with its own bathroom upstairs with an own double bed out there too.
You guys have more than enough space for everybody to stay in style, and the backyard. It's crazy to see such a backyard like this in a residential neighborhood. You know, that's just gorgeous.
Yeah, it's all modern style, so we should go take a look.
Love to.
Let's do it.
Hey, Teddy, come on.
Teddy, come on.
You do not expect to get this in the backyard of a family home in Long Beach. This is incredible.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I mean, we did a lot of work. You can tell with the fencing here, big pool, and we try to incorporate relaxed living for big families.
It feels like an oasis. It's like your own private oasis back here.
Yeah.
And we know some of the best golf in the world is right here in Southern California, and you could tune up the putting. That's a great putting mat you got there.
Yeah, you golf yourself?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I'll be here warming up. We know in all of California, parking is like one of the most glorious things in the world when you could attain it. And it seems like you could fit a couple cars back here.
We have one in the garage, one outside the garage, and then 2 probably in the driveway.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So everybody's set. Well, with my witness here, I would like to pronounce you two a 5-star staycation. It has been a dream.
Yes.
Hey, what do you say? Can you bless that? Let's hear it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much, really.
For sure.
And good luck on your wedding.
Yeah,
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.